Now we're going to demonstrate what we feel is the easiest way to remove your sidewalls and give you some key tips so you can do a really great job.
Start by unlocking the stainless steel pin with an Allen key and dial in the micro adjuster until the cutter is exactly on the point of this step. Lastly, adjust the angle of your cutter to approximately 1 or 2 o'clock and tighten up the screw. Here we go. Starting 1 centimeter back from where the sidewall step starts, pull very gently with little downward pressure until you get a curl. Then increase the downward pressure ever so slightly and in one constant motion, without stopping, keeping the tool steady, walk to the opposite end of the sidewall maintaining the same speed and downward pressure. Remember to let up on the pressure just before the sidewall step ends and continue approximately 1 centimeter further. It's that easy. If your skis have a metal layer, take 1 to 2 light passes to remove it, applying the same technique. The only difference is that you'll start right up at the tips or tails. Be certain the cutter is adjusted accurately and you're only removing the metal. If you're hitting the steel edge, then simply stop and readjust. You can also use your top sheet remover to do this. Either way, this will make it easier to get your edges sharp.